In this video, I'm going to show you quick and easy how to generate a QR code using Canva. You can use QR codes for all various types of things. Just for my example, I'm going to show you how to do it if you want to get more Google reviews. So for some Google business profiles, you have a QR code right here to get Google reviews, but for others you don't. So it doesn't really matter, but whatever you are trying to get a QR code, whatever that link is for, just copy that link. And then I'm going to put this down below. This goes to Canva's, check out the link down below. It goes to Canva's free and easy QR code generator. So you're going to want to click on that link down below this video. It's going to open up into something like this. And then all you have to do is you go in here and you paste your link that you want to get reviews for. Now you can even customize this if you want a different background color, or if you have a brand color that you want to use, that can be cool. It'll work just fine. The margin around it you can play with too. Again, it'll all work, but you can just play around for design purposes. And then once you have that, then you just click on this generate code, and boom, just like that, you're going to have the QR code. Now, if you want more great tips, check out the link below to my ebooks and Google Docs. They all help small business owners and people trying to use tech to grow their business. That's all included down below. But that's it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one, because all you have to do from here is just download it, and then you can start using that QR code for whatever, in this case, for people to scan and leave me Google reviews. Thanks so much for joining me. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next video.